welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to share your mobile screen on Snapchat. Whether you want to show off your gameplay, share a tutorial, or just have some fun, I've got you covered, so let's dive right in. First, let's open the Snapchat app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Next, we need to start a chat with a friend or group you want to share your screen with. Just swipe right from the camera screen to go to the chat screen and select the chat. Once you're in this chat, tap on the video camera icon at the top to start a video call. While in the video call, swipe up from the bottom of the screen and access the call options. Here you'll see an option that says Share Screen. Tap on it. A pop-up will appear asking you to confirm that you want to share your screen. Go ahead and confirm by tapping Start Now. Now your screen is being shared. You can navigate to any app or screen on your phone and your friend will see exactly what you do. To stop sharing your screen, just go back to the Snapchat video call, swipe up again and tap on stop sharing. And that's it, you've successfully shared your mobile screen on Snapchat.